I'm Sheena Larson, and this is my clinical mentor, Dr. Dickinson. I'm going to be demonstrating how to refill the isoflurane in the vaporizer on our anesthetic machine. So I have here the adapter and the specified type of isoflurane that goes with our vaporizer. So you take it off the lid, and then there's these little knobs, so the adapter only fits on in a particular way, and they do that to reduce the chance of leakage. And then the adapter also has these little holes, and it fits into here. So the adapter is shaped so that it can only fit in one way. If I try to put it in another way, it won't fit. So this is another safety measure to make sure that the isoflurane is going in. So then I want to lock this down, tighten it down just to finger tight. And now when I raise the bottle up, the liquid isoflurane flows in, and you can see the view window, and there's the line, the fill line. And I want to fill it just below the fill line there, so like that. I don't want to overfill it, or there's a chance that it could cause an overdose on an animal. So to release the isoflurane canister, I just loosened this up, pulled that out, reattach the little knobs, put this back in, and tighten that back down. So that is now a secure unit, and it's safe. And I come over here and I replace the lid on the isoflurane. If I were to have spilled any of the isoflurane, say I dropped the bottle, or some of it had dribbled out, my clinic has a spill kit ready, and it comes with instructions which shows our policies so that whoever grabs the spill kit will know what to do. It contains units of PPE, so like goggles for eye protection, gloves, and absorbent material. If we were to have a big spill where, say I dropped the bottle, we would immediately open all of the doors and windows in the clinic and potentially evacuate all animals and humans, because this is a volatile liquid, so it would immediately go into the air. So then we also have bags of kitty litter where we could soak up most of the liquid, and then we would double bag that and dispose of it that way. Now, for the carbon dioxide absorber, there's a little knob on the top of the anesthetic machine, and I just want to loosen that up, and then that releases this canister down here, which holds the old, there we go, holds the old one. And you can see here that this is old, this is purple, so then that shows the pH color change, and the date that it had last been changed was September 28th. So to get rid of this, I'm just going to put a little piece of tape over my little hole there, so that none of the carbolime goes into that hole. And then I'm just going to dispose of that. And I can take my fresh Carbolime, and I am just going to carefully fill each side. There we go, up until about here. So now I want to remove that piece of tape, and I want to remove the old dated tape, and I can get rid of that. And I have a new piece of tape dated with my initials to show that I'm the one who changed it out. And I'm going to reattach it here. So there's this little knob. It lines up on the bottom of the anesthetic machine. So there's only one way that it will fit. And then once it's lined up, I can tighten that down, make sure that it's nice and snug. And I have switched out the carbon dioxide absorber.